Another video. Today's day we're in that tropical storm everybody's talking about on the news. Yeah, right. What tropical storm? Yeah. I've had worse poops than this storm. Bad joke, Brandon. But good God. I could stand out in Hurricane Irma. And this is not even a tropical storm. Good God. This thing is terrible. Like, the birds are out. The birds are out. What tropical storm? I don't see no tropical storm. A little drizzle, maybe. Good God. See how fast I can run from here. Because I can easily run faster in storms for some reason. Look at this dog and watch it chase me. Nope, it's not. That dog doesn't even care. But it's fine. This is a live action in the storm, not really live. Still, I'm gonna do a live stream of the storm in a second. Just nothing. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say in today's video. Goodbye.